It's Sunday afternoon and Paul and I are down on the strip. We are actually in a parking garage, as you can see behind me. We're at the Park MGM. We're going to spend a real quick staycation, just a real quick couple hours. We're going to spend the night and then we're going to go home, because when you see this, this is going to be our wedding anniversary. So we decided that we come down, we'd spend a little bit of time on the strip and celebrate. So this adventure starts right now. All right, let's go find an elevator and get down to the lobby. Parking garage is on the second floor. You go down here. Actually, since we're down here, I'll show you where Uber is. It's very close by. You just go down these escalators, turn left at the escalators, and there's your Uber right out these doors. And here's your lobby. That's where you check in, right there, where those folks are standing.
Primrose is a garden party version of a cafe with seating in an indoor garden or poolside, and both options are beautiful. They specialize in breakfast, including all-you-can-drink sparkling rosé, and offer brunch every day until 2 p.m.
Here's your VIP check-in. This is the shop where you can get all the essentials that you left at home, didn't bring with you.
The shop provides an eclectic mix of the interesting and the unique. You can find travel essentials, snacks, spirits, wine, cold beverages, and even groceries. The shop also offers beauty and wellness products, and you might even find that special gift for that special someone back home.
And there's Concierge.
The corner store right next to the Concierge offers bathing suits, leather goods, Shinola watches, and much, much more.
And we're walking out of the lobby now. Show you where the pool is. A couple shops over here. And there's your pool. We're going to check that out a little bit later on. This is a continuation of that place that was off the lobby right across from the Concierge, called the Corner Shop. Go down this way, you got your ever-present Starbucks, and you start entering into the casino area.
We booked the Park MGM King with a Las Vegas Strip view. This room has a cozy alcove bed with built-in bedside outlets, luxury linens, and a huge walk-in shower in the bathroom. But the best part of all is that fabulous view of the Las Vegas Strip.
All right, Paul, let's talk about what it cost and how it was to check in. It was kind of confusing.
Yeah, well, let's start with, we decided to do this yesterday on Saturday. So we booked online. We are members of the MLife MGM customer loyalty program. So go on the MLife website, you save 10%. So the room for tonight on a Sunday was $80 with a strip view, which is really, really reasonable. However, once you add in the resort fees, the taxes, and your parking, out the door it was actually $148. So almost double. But anyway, considering we're on the strip, it's still okay. Check-in, I'm gonna say, I was not a fan. There was a lovely gentleman helping us work the kiosk, but it was complicated. There were times where you had to show your ID to the kiosk. Anyway, I wasn't a fan. I missed the days when you just walked up to the counter, handed him your ID and your credit card, and they handed you a room key.
Yeah, why was he there?
Why
was he there? Because we could have just went to a desk and had him do what he did for us.
Right, and there's nowhere to set anything because you're standing at a kiosk and my purse was in the way, and yeah, so Not a big fan of that. But anyway, we are here, we're checked in, we got a great stir view, and I'm excited to spend a little less than 24 hours.
Yeah, we're going to be here way less than 24 hours. Yeah. But, you know, we're here. We're on the Strip. We're at the Park MGM. All right. All right, we will catch you when we go back downstairs. All right?
Back in the day, we used to go to a wonderful steakhouse here when it was Monte Carlo called Brand. This is in the same spot, but we've never tried it.
Bavette Steakhouse is a Chicago-based outfit that has just arrived in Las Vegas. The menu has a French touch, the ambiance combines food and fun, and they feature live jazz as well.
This is called the Juniper Cocktail Lounge.
Juniper is the home to the largest collection of gin in Las Vegas. There is a curated cocktail program with house-made juices and syrups, and everything on the menu has a story.
This is very elegant.
I love everything about it. It's like a really elegant boudoir with the pink tufted things and all the fringes, all the pillows.
On the Record is the first Las Vegas venture for Los Angeles twins Johnny and Mark Houston, who excel in creating original nightlife experiences.
And there's your stairway to heaven.
On the Record is a love letter to long-lost music hubs. Mama Rabbit takes its name from the goddess of agave and fertility down Mexico Way. With roaming margarita carts, live music, and the largest agave-based spirits selection in Vegas, this place is sure to be a big hit. Best Friend is the creation of Roy Choi, bringing the L.A. Koreatown vibe to Las Vegas and merging it into a truly unique experience.
And we did a video on this. Let's see what's changed in here. This is called Eataly. As you can see, Eataly is just doing great. It's mobbed. All right, we were just in Eataly, but obviously it's very crowded and very noisy. We do have a link though, right?
We toured Eataly a few months back right after it opened, and we are going to put a link to that video down in our description box. So go check it out. It's about 10 minutes long, and it walks through all the stations in Eataly and what it has to offer. And I might get a cookie.
Yeah, why not? Let's get a cookie. All right, obviously, I started filming before we looked at the cookies and checked them out, see what they are. One was an apricot and one is a strawberry. And how much were they?
$5 a piece, $10 for 2 cookies, but they're delightful.
Oh, they're very good, very good. What is this place called, Paula?
La La Noodle.
This new Pan Asian is already famous for its hand-pulled noodles, along with appetizers like shrimp rolls and pot stickers. If you take a seat at the bar, you can watch all the action close up.
It goes all the way to the outside.
Lady Gaga, an Academy Award-winning, Grammy Award-winning pop icon, and one who now has a residency at Park Theater here in Las Vegas. In tandem with her new home here, she and her team have set up this space, the House of Gaga, Las Vegas. It will be an ever-changing, immersive experience featuring her most iconic fashion pieces and personal memorabilia from over 10 years of performing. It opens at noon and admission is free. Just walk in and enjoy the spectacle and the truly incredible lighting that goes with it. The Park Theater as you see it today was part of the 2016 remodel that gave us Park MGM. The Park Theater is built on the site of the original Lance Burton Theater, home venue for resident magician and showman Lance Burton from 1996 to 2010. Now this gorgeous new facility has become the home of some of the biggest names in pop music. They've got a lineup that includes the likes of Aerosmith, Cher, Bruno Mars, Janet Jackson, and you already know about Lady Gaga. With the 2016 plans to renovate, the top 4 floors of Park MGM were redone and rebranded as Nomad Las Vegas. This elegant and beautiful room is perfect for cocktails, small plates, and late-night dinners. And on Sundays, they serve brunch accompanied by live jazz. The Nomad Bar was named Best Bar in North America in 2017.
That's refreshing.
Is it good?
Yeah, refreshing.
Yeah.
Very good.
The Pool Oasis at Park MGM has 3 pools, one of which is adults only, plus a heated hot tub and 2 bars. The swaying palm trees and green and white striped umbrellas really make it a great setting. There are servers coming around constantly, so you don't even have to move from your lounge chair to get a fruity drink or a snack.
We just left the pool area. If you come off the lobby and go past where the pool is, there's this hallway that will take you all the way down to the tram. We're just going to walk it and show you what it's like.
And the tram takes you all the way to Bellagio with stops at Aria, Vidara, and Crystal Shopping Plaza.
Absolutely. As you can see, there's the pool where we just were. So far, it's been a pretty busy day, right?
I'm tired and hungry.
I'm very hungry. So guess where we're at? You guys don't know this, but every time we come down, we come to the same place.
Yeah, you know what? If it ain't broke, don't fix it. It's the California Pizza Kitchen. It's really good.
They have the best food down there, I tell you.
Great menu items.
It's really terrific.
So we're right across from Park MGM. We're in the park.
Right.
At California Pizza Kitchen.
So we'll show you what we get when we get it. There's nobody at the bar, so I don't even know if the bar's open. But we're going to sit here till they serve us.
There you go.
Okay, the food has arrived. Let's let Paula tell you what she got here.
This is chicken piccata, one of my favorites. I love this.
And look at that. We got that with the bread.
Yeah.
And
oh, we glommed on that already.
We glommed on that, yeah. And I got the cedar plank salmon. The thing I always get when I come here. All right, let's chow down.
Crack Shack. Well, this is so new, they are out on the sidewalk handing out coupons for free stuff. This is a gourmet fried chicken eatery right on the strip that celebrates all things chicken and breakfast for dinner.
Okay, it's been a heck of a day, huh?
We're tired. We have been on the go for a long time, and it's hot.
And we are at Tom's Urban.
Tom's Urban, first time here. We ordered some fried pickles to take us out to the night.
And that's gonna do real good tomorrow when we can't sleep or anything, right?
Whatever. Gotta go to work tomorrow.
What the
so
heck?
Go out with a bang.
Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it's been kind of choppy, and but I really.
Hey, you went along with us. That was our day.
I'm so glad y'all came along with us. Yeah. Give us a thumbs up if you like this video, and if you're subscribed, please hit that notification button, and they will tell you when our next video is.
Yep. And if you're not subscribed, I don't know why Dale doesn't say it. Subscribe.
Well, yeah. And what about our social media stuff, right?
Yeah. Check the description box, and we'll have links to those things, you guys.
That's right.
Thanks for being with us on our anniversary celebration, Staycation at the Park MGM.
Hope you had a good time. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye, everybody.